little bit of a wet day, didn't it? Our display room.
Right.
So we actually have two lines in this building. So we have the professional products, which is the commercial grade. And these three units here are actually built on the first line that we'll go to. But now the line that Christy works on, normally that's our router that we run. But right now we're running some Ultima S's, helping the main line make their production needs. So it's a little bit different unit than that, but we'll walk you out here and we'll show you what's going on.
Yeah, I know Tom Christie works on that.
They make all commercial units on this unit, this line right here. And this unit that they're running is actually one of the ones that they have up in the front office there.
You don't realize how many parts there is to a lawnmower.
It's crazy because I've been doing this 37 years sitting here, and it's like I just take it for granted all the time. But when you start out with a transmission on a piece of steel, and then as you assemble it going down the line, then you become a finished product, and you're moving your yard with it. You go, oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. So Christy actually works at this station right here. This is all her stuff right here. And then she makes these products up, and she actually does all this here. And it is the forward and reverse controls. It's very complicated. And like I said, she is very good at it. Very good.
Good.
She does. She's very particular, and trust me, the second the next morning if something's out of line, she lets me know.
That's wonderful.
Good.
All right, so we can actually walk back down and I'll kind of walk you up. So, yes, it's pretty cool. So these are fuel tank testers. We actually test the tank to make sure there's no leaks on the tank.
Good.
And there's a process we actually normally have that filled with water.
Right.
And we dump the tank to make sure it sees the pressure without going up.
Right.
Or has a leak, then it's a defect, we'll tag it and we'll send it to our partner. So when you scan it, it tells you what the functions are supposed to be on that unit. So then you just follow suit. And if anything fails, it causes a failure at the end of the cycle, and it has to go off in the mechanic to be fixed, and then it comes back up to be tested.
Gas buggy.
That's we run a very high tank because of the clean burn off in here. And these dynos, they have vents in them. Of course, the fumes out, so you don't get this smell here. Especially.
Oh, that was good.
Yeah.